Hi everyone, it's Anne here. I wanted to show you this because for me it is one of the best ideas I've seen in a while. And I was surfing the YouTube the other day and I came across this and I'd not heard of it before. And I had to give it a go and it works and it's great. And let me just give credit to, wrote it down, the lady at Faux Creation for this tip. And I'd like to show you how I did mine. I'm not doing it exactly the same way as she showed, but it's very similar, so I'd like to show you how I did it. What we have are these wonderful rusty creations. I don't know if you can see those. I'll put them up under the lens, but they'll probably be better on the white. Alright, I'll take some close-up pictures of them for the end. But they're just cardboard pieces that have been rusted. And they look so real. And I'm really wrapped with them. So, let's get cracking. And yes, I'm coming to you today in my craft suit. With my messy tabletop. But as you crafters will all understand, that's by the by. Let's just get on with the crafting. You're going to need some cut cardboard shapes. I've already cut these ones out. This one has already been painted grey or black. Likewise with that one. But that doesn't matter, we can just go over them. So, you're going to need some black and some brown paint. It can be any sort of paint. And you're going to need some PVA glue and some brushes and a heat gun and a secret ingredient. And this was the tip that I got from the lady. The secret ingredient is, I don't know if you can guess what it is, it's actually cinnamon. What you do is get the cinnamon in a little container. Now she didn't mix it with the glue, she just applied it to the wet glue. But I'm going to mix it first. That's how I did mine and it seemed to work, so I'm going to stick with that. So I've just got a little bit of cinnamon and I'm just mixing it with some PVA glue. Probably need a bit more glue. Just mix it to the consistency of paint, really. Just so you can apply it with the brush. It's maybe a little bit thick. I just add a tiny weeny bit more. And the good thing about this also is that it doesn't take long at all. You don't have to wait for anything to dry, which is the bane of all crafters, because we're impatient to see what it looks like and what the next step is. So, first thing I'm going to do is let's do the, well, we can paint them all and then we can do them all at the same time. I'm going to use a bit of black first. Put some brown out while I'm at it. If there's any left in this tube. It's almost gone. There might be a bit left in the bottom. Come on, cooperate. Yeah, there we go. I'm just going to put a little bit of black on, here and there, not everywhere. Just dab it on like that, don't have to think about it. Not even going to wash my brush, just going to pile the brown on. So as you can see, no neatness required, you just slop it on. Sorry, I'm going a bit off camera. Okay, I'm going to get this other brush, and with the cinnamon and glue, I'm just going to put that on sort of in a, like you would do with a stencil. I'm just dabbing it downwards. Okay, now you appreciate, you probably can't see them now because I've got so much paint and mess on here, but just bear with me and in a sec I'll clean it up and put it on something you can see. So now I'm just going to bring them back in the middle and get my heat gun. Now, sorry for the big noise. Alright, well already these are looking really good. I'm going to go in again and just touch them up a little bit more. But as you can see, they look really, really real. They've got this lovely patina on them, and this kind of where the metal is rusting, corroding away, you get all these lumps and bumps, which is what makes them look real. Just going to go back in, touch this one up on the edge there where I've got a bit of the white card showing. A lot could do with another little dab here and there. Okay, ears covered. Okay, I'll put them back on the white so you can see them. Don't they look fantastic? I'm so impressed with this way of doing them. They look great. The cinnamon seems to be such the right colour and the right texture, just to give it that full rust look. And you can carry on playing with them. You could introduce a little bit of turquoise or a bit of orange or yellow, just, you know, a tiny bit here and there to you know, just enhance it a little bit more, because sometimes rust has that blue turquoise patina on it. I just love those. Alright, well, it's quick and it's easy, and the best thing about it as well is it's non-toxic. I've tried so many rusting methods where you have to use horrible chemicals or wear gloves or do it outside or whatever. This is just so easy, and it smells nice. I don't think you smell the cinnamon after you've mixed them with the paint and they're dried, but whilst you're doing it, you have the lovely smell of cinnamon. Right. So these ones that I did before are completely dry, and they've dried even better than these ones look. I might have to go over these ones again, but it's enough for the camera just to show you how I did it, and hope you are able to achieve the same results as I did. Alright, that's all I've got for today. So I thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you have fun crafting, and I hope to see you again soon in the next video. Bye for now.